Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to be doing a wing eyeliner with a glitter eyeliner on top. Let's get it! The first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyes with the NYX Eyeshadow Base. The next thing I'm going to do is put the Airspun loose face powder on top of that. That is going to help our makeup on top stay. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I want there to be some type of base for my eyeliner, so I'm just going to be going with a really light brown color. I'm going to be using the Morphe Artistry palette. With a flat brush, I'm going to use this color. I want there to be a little definition to this look, so I'm going to be using eyeliner on my waterline. I am going to be using the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. For my wing eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty liquid liner. I do this thing where I do eyeliner on top and then I go ahead and do the wing just to see how it looks on both sides. Now that I have my winged liner, I'm going to be putting the glitter eyeliner on top. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be putting this right on top. I'm going to be doing the same exact thing to the other eye. Next, I'm going to be using mascara. I'm going to be using the Sephora Lashcraft Length and Volume Mascara. I like to keep it simple, just mascara. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I don't like to do too much to them. I'm just going to be brushing them through with this little brush. Then I'm going to be using the E.L.F. eyebrow kit. I'm going to use this little brush. I'm gonna brush them through. This is what it looks like. I'm missing something. That is the finished look. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.